how to play online with friends on FC26. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can add your friends on FC26 and then the different game modes that allow you to play with them. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to add your friends on FC26, you need to hit the R2 button on your controller, or you can hit Tab if you're playing on a PC, and this will bring up where you can add friends. And all you need to do is go to search for players, type in their name, and then request their friendship. They just need to approve it, and then they will be in your friend list. Once you've added friends, the first way you can play with people is to go to online friendlies, and this will allow you to start matches with your friends. Additionally, you can go down to co-op season, and this will allow you to join forces, play together with your friends. And then finally, we have ultimate team, where if you select in here, you have several different game modes that allow you to play with your friends using the ultimate team that you've created. Once you get into ultimate team, all you need to do is go over to play, enter the play modes, and then you'll see several different game modes that you can play with your friends. Additionally, in the top menu here, you can go to play versus friend, and this will allow you to enter coach play and play with your friends online. So those are the game modes on FC26 that allow you to play with your friends. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.